Randy has gotten himself stuck. Some bad news.
Dented the rocker.
Good. Let's see what other trouble we can get into.
Next.
My name's Sean, and this is the story till now. Brought to you in part by Epic Adventure Outfitters.
What's up, guys? I just got home and found this package on my doorstep. Yeah, MagnaFlow sent us over their rock crawler catback exhaust for the Gladiator. So for all you people who say your truck sounds like it's not even turned on, and there's a lot of you, we're to fix that.
This is with the stock muffler. And with the new MagnaFlow.
We're headed out to explore a brand new back road today. Well, it's not a brand new back road. It's brand new to me. It's been there for who knows how long. We're gonna see what's up there. I've heard rumors of some washouts that may need crossing. And if you're not already subscribed to the channel, do me a favor, hit the subscribe button. We're coming up on 40,000 subscribers. Thank you so much, guys. It really means a lot to me that you guys like the videos that I make and the stuff that we do. Got to the bottom of the road here. We're gonna go up. It's an unmarked Forest Service road, so see how it goes.
Woo. It wasn't long before we came to a washout in the road. This one wasn't much of an obstacle, and we made quick work of crossing it. If you're wondering about those beefy tires on Andy's Jeep, those are Max's Trapidors. Just about the craziest off-road tire you can get. He was pretty excited to test them out.
We're at this other one.
Stay to the right.
This next washout was a bit more gnarly. The first challenge was getting around a huge crevice in the road next to a steep drop-off. After that, it's just some basic rock crawling.
Another pretty crazy washout. There's also a helicopter hovering over us, which is weird. Easy peasy. in front of your passenger tire. Keep going. Yeah.
Getting past that crevice would be a bit harder in the longer Gladiator. I had to do my best to avoid sliding into it.
Fun. Let's see what other trouble we can get into.
Next.
We headed a bit further up the road, encountering a lot of fallen trees along the way. Some we could drive over, and others would give the chainsaws a workout.
Just a small tree down in this path. We're gonna try and get down to the river, have some lunch. This is no problem. Follow this side trail down to this river, and I'm gonna stop here, have some lunch since we have a decent spot. We'll keep on exploring. So many fallen trees on this road. Probably go somewhere.
Didn't take long to get the truck buried up to the diffs.
Yeah.
The mud here can barely be called mud. Imagine driving through cement mix and you have an idea of what we were dealing with. More of a wet clay.
Now Andy has gotten himself stuck too.
Yeah.
This is gonna be a double winch.
Just when things were looking good, yeah, that crunch was a stump hitting my rocker.
Some bad news. We got the first body damage on the Gladiator. Dented the rocker. Now the rocker guard's on order, so that's gonna cover that up anyway. However, of course it would happen like right before I get the rocker guards, right? All right, well that was a bit of a interesting landslide crossing. Damage and all. We're gonna keep going up the road, see what else we can find. Snow. Well, the snow started getting pretty deep, and we don't know what's up this road, so at the slow pace we figured it's not worth really going any further up this particular road at this speed just to get who knows where. So we have decided at this point to turn around. Stickers on sale now, dirtyanddangerous.com. Don't forget to grab some. If you guys aren't already subscribed to the channel, do me a big favor, hit that subscribe button. We do crazy trips like this every week for your entertainment and ours. And we'll be back next Monday with another one.
Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. You don't want to miss what we're going to do next week. While you're here, click on the thumbnail and check out one of our other adventures.